Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me and then spin me around the fearlessly. Then all the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, play a song that would never ever end. How I love, 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 dance with my father again. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, and finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he wrapped the flower under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could see one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'll play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'm love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'm lost outside her door, and I hear her mama cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loves? I know you don't believe usually, never would she crying. Dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep with the soul in every dream. Hi, Mom. This is Roslyn Lahato, your student from BCS 101 Section 5. Ayro pang hibit, Mom, ha? I really don't know how to sing. I just try my best because mura na ako ang talent. Medyo okay naman. Love you, Mom. Bye-bye. Thank you.